Good morning. It is Thursday, September 25, 7:51 a.m. Central Time. A little bit late getting here to the computer. Um, I was here super early and then I fell asleep, which is kind of funny. So just kind of quickly seeing how the news shook out today. We had the jobless claims, which I was waiting for, and looks like those came back lower than forecast and previous, so that looks good. GDP seems to have grown quarter on quarter. Seems good. Durable goods, um, better than previous and forecast, which is interesting. Uh, so a lot of green here. Continued jobless claims lower. So this is all really good numbers, I think. I guess it's not good for rate cuts since this is looking really good. Um, and here we go. The Fed says rates can drop further, stagflation risk fade. Um, yeah, and so it's interesting. So rates can go down a fair bit more if inflation head towards 2%, but I'm wary of front loading rate cuts. So I think they're kind of not, they're saying maybe we don't want to do rate cuts. Uh, so I guess we'll just kind of see what's going on with that. Looking at price, though, we are having that pullback, nice super pullback here on the NQ, on the ES, on the Russell, Dow, nice pullback. So we'll see. We have our VIX, we're kind of going up. Got our dollar kind of increasing. Ooh, got the treasury yields increasing. XLK, opening lower pre-market. So I mean, we're having the pullback. So there you go. It's happening. So that is what's going on. If we look at tech here, so we got Apple, nice pulling back, broke yesterday's low. Microsoft, yeah, we're pulling back. Pre-market, we're kind of hanging out at lows, so we'll see if we break or not, see if that holds. Amazon, pulling us down. Google, oh wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so let's see if Wednesday's low holds. But yeah, we're having a nice healthy pullback there. You know, there's gaps to close. There's gaps to close. Let's just see what that looks like. I don't know if I'm betting on shorting Google, but um, nice healthy pullback happening. Meta, yeah, opening on lows. Nvidia pre-market is broke the low of Friday, so we'll see how that looks. Tesla, super interesting. Tesla's strong. Closed on highs. Pre-market, we are still, we're still in the candle. We're not below, so that's super strong. And the Qs are the Qs. So it's interesting. I mean, I would say pullback is happening. It is everywhere. Tesla is kind of the anomaly of strength here. And so maybe there's going to be some crazy. It's one of those things where I think we're leading with Tesla. So once everything turns around, I think Tesla could really go. So that is something to keep in mind. I will look into that. So that is what's happening here. Is there anything happening 25th? What is tomorrow? 26th? Yeah, 26th we have the PC. So we have more stuff happening tomorrow. So I feel like there could be some good action today. Um let's see what is looking like on the NQ, or yeah, the my actual chart that I trade. So the funny thing is I woke up super late super late, super early. for some reason I was like, shit. I woke up like around here, and it was like 2, 3 a.m. I woke up and I was like looking, and I was like, oh, it's the start of the London session, and I was like, oh, should I trade? And I was like, no, we're gonna get the VWAP, and I think I set alerts here or something, and then I fell back asleep. But you just kind of see what happened. We kind of just 150-point move or something after that. And so here we are. I guess in the morning, I am looking for. I mean, I think if we can get back up to here to this breakdown level, we'll see what that looks like. Definitely over here. Look for shorts. This level here. Look for a short. Um, I guess where could we go to? Yeah, so we've kind of closed this gap here on the hourly. So I think, yeah, I mean, maybe here, start looking again for support and basing to start happening to go for a long. But let's see. I'm more interested in the short today. Just looking at price at the last few days with the pullbacks. If we can push back up into this level, like between these two lines, super short. If we get to here where it kind of broke down from regular trading hours, the low of regular trading hours, I will take that as well. So we'll see. But that is kind of what I'm looking for. But if we flush really quickly down to like this previous week midpoint in this key level and kind of base, I will look for to go back up. But I think short is the way I want to go today. So I think that's pretty much it. There was a new dark pool level, one of these that I marked, maybe this one I think, and so we just kind of pushed down from that. So it's pretty interesting there. And so yeah, that's how things look. We'll just see how we go in the morning. I will check options flow later, just see what things look like. But that's it for me. Good luck, and do not get caught. Thank you.